Alright, welcome to my channel. Let's watch it. What I'm working on today is making some lock pick handles or scales, whichever you want to say, like knife scales. But what I'm doing, I'm making it out of some Purple Heart wood that I've cut down to about 1/4 inch thick. So the way I hold this down is with the CA and painter's tape method. It's just regular blue painter's tape. You just put one down on the spool board, one on your piece, and then you glue it together. So I like to spread it out a little bit, get a better coverage, just because I've had some pieces, if they were not actually having glue behind them, they would come undone during the cutting process. So I like to spread this out just to make sure all of it is covered. And I'm going to use some activator on the board. Get it straight as I can. So, and then press it down. Just a second, and that's set. Get this stuff out of the way. So now I have to set my, this is a 1/4 inch, it's called a 1/4 inch ball nose down cut bit. So I'm going to set my tool height. Just have to get it close to the tool or the. Alright. Tell the machine to 0 to that. Touch it first so it knows it's connected. Let it touch off. Okay. Now I just need to move up and set the start point in this corner. In this instance, I've set it to the left corner. I'm going to come off. I don't want to go exactly to the corner because I want a little bit of material still holding it down. That looks good. So I'm going to zero my X and my Y. I've already zeroed it to this, the Z height, and now I'm going to, I just did X and Y, so let me load the file. Alright. So I got the file loaded, computer, and this is, sorry, there's a computer that is running it, so I'm going to tell it to start. It's got to probe the tool first. It's going to go back there. It's just telling it, it's measuring the tool. That's called a tool length sensor. It's measuring how long the tool is, so when I do a tool change, it'll know where it's going to be or how long that tool is. Sorry. So now I can tell it to start. And it's going to make a mess. Maybe a little loud. So. So that tool just finished up. Now we're going to switch bits to the detail bit, which is a tapered ball nose. Alright, so now I can tell it to go measure that tool. I don't have to zero again, it'll measure it back there. While that's running, I'm going to vacuum up. Oops, sorry, get the camera. So now it's measured it. I can tell it to zoom. Alright, now we'll switch to the last tool, which will do the holes for the Chicago screws and the holes through, all the way through, and the profile. So cut it out a little bit. So I do have to switch it to a smaller bit. 1/8 inch versus a 1/4 inch. Okay. And tell it to measure. Alright, so finish cutting it out. She out of the way. And there you have it. Just needs a little bit of rough sanding or finish sanding, and that's the lock. 1/2 of the lock handle. I'll try to put some pictures at the end of it on the pick. So, all right.